In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the cheapest flights on Google Flights. First, open your browser and go to Google Flights. On the main dashboard, you'll see simple fields across the top for where you're flying from, where you're going, travel dates, and the number of passengers, along with a few filters. This is your control center for building a trip. Start by entering your destination. Type the city or airport you want to visit, and choose the correct result from the dropdown. Next, set your departure city so Google knows where you'll be flying from. If you're aiming for a broader area, you can also specify a region or a nearby airport to widen your options without leaving the page. Some cities have multiple airports. Selecting any airport in that area can reveal lower fares. Add the number of passengers so prices reflect everyone traveling. Now add your travel dates. Open the calendar, choose your departure date, and then pick your return date. Notice how the calendar highlights lower prices on certain days. If you can be flexible by a day or two, you'll often see a meaningful drop in fare. If your trip is one way, just choose a single date and move on. When everything looks right, click Search. You'll land on the results page. At the top of the menu, choose Cheapest. This tells Google Flights to prioritize the lowest total price for the itinerary. Behind the scenes, Google checks prices from multiple sources and refreshes the list so you can see the strongest deals first. You can also use filters for stops, airlines, departure times, and bags to keep the cheapest options that still match your preferences. From here, select the cheapest outbound option that fits your needs. Open the details to confirm the schedule, layovers, and baggage policy so there are no surprises. Then select the cheapest return flight in the same way to complete your round trip. Once both legs are chosen, click Continue. You'll move forward to booking. Enter each passenger's personal information exactly as it appears on Government ID, along with contact details. Take a moment to confirm seat class, included bags, and any add-ons. After everything is filled out and reviewed, proceed to payment. You may be routed to an airline or a trusted partner to finish the purchase. Before you pay, double-check the total price, currency, and any fees, and make sure the dates and traveler details are correct. That's it. By using the cheapest sort, flexible dates, and a quick review of the fine print, you can consistently find and book the lowest fares with confidence.